Glucora Herbal Drops are marketed as a natural formula that supposedly balances blood sugar, improves insulin response, reduces glucose spikes, and supports metabolic health. But the real question is, can it actually help regulate blood sugar? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in blood sugar supplements, such as cinnamon, berberine, bitter melon, chromium, or herbal extracts, have been studied for potential effects on glucose metabolism. But that does not automatically mean the finished product delivers dramatic results. What it does well may contain ingredients with research behind them. Some herbal ingredients have shown potential for modest effects on glucose metabolism. Easy to take. Liquid drops can be convenient for people who prefer not to swallow pills. Where the hype falls apart, it will not regulate blood sugar like medication. This is the biggest issue. Supplements should not be expected to work like prescribed treatments. Research results are mixed. Some ingredients show small effects, while others show limited or inconsistent evidence. The full formula matters. One promising ingredient does not automatically prove the product works as advertised. So, can Glucora Herbal Drops help regulate blood sugar? Short answer, possibly to a limited extent, depending on the ingredients. It may support overall metabolic health, but there is little reason to expect major blood sugar control from a supplement alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.